Welcome back. The APL group of consumers in the state are furious with the Civil Supplies Department over increase in rice quota for the BPL. People claim that rice quota to BPL consumers has been raised and APL consumers suffer as there has been a cut in the quota by 10 to 15%. Fair price shopkeepers say people argue on the quota difference, but they are bound by the government scheme.
Too much of rice quota difference is creating a rift between the APL and the BPLs. APL consumers feel reduction in quota and injustice. APL card holders feel are aggrieved with the Civil Supplies Department as the BPL consumers get 80 kilo rice per ration card.
आणि ते व्हरून बाजारात विकतात आणि ते घरा व्हरता आसतना तांकां गाडी करची पडटा 100 दिवन तेन्ना कितले तांदूळ घालून गरिबांक घालचे बाकीच्यांक घालचे 9 किलो आहा तांकां सगळे इतके तांदूळ तांकां कितें करपाक तांकां खंय व्हरून खावपाक ते कितल्या जाणांक खावपाक.
There is also a dispute on the quota supplied per member registered on the ration card. A single member BPL ration card or a card with more members, both BPL card holders get 80 kg rice quota. It's irrespective of number of members. APL consumers claim that BPL card holders sell this extra rice in the market. APL card holders get a rice quota of only 9 kgs.
हे लोकांक कितें गरिबांक सगळ्या मारपाचें केलें काय दिता ताका भरपूर दिता ना ताका कांयच ना 12 किलो तर ताका 10 किलो केले 10 किलो केले ताका परत 9 किलो केले 9 किलो कितल्या जाणांक पावोवपाचे 4-5 जाणांक पावोवपाचे आनी 50 किलो कितल्या जाणांक एका दोगांक पावोवपाचे.
But shopkeepers say they are bound by the guidelines in the government scheme.
आमकां जी कितें ऑर्डर वरसून येता त्या प्रमाणे आमी तुमकां 9 किलो दिता 10 किलो आहले ते 9 किलोच कित्याक आमच्या कडेन वाद घालता.
आता हे बीपीएलाक बी दिता ते नांवा प्रमाणे दिता काय
रेशनाक एक पासून मनीस आसलो जाल्यार तेका.
Have a look. This is the current quota supplied to the APL, BPL and AAY consumers. Misuse and illegal trading of fair price commodities seems a never-ending issue. Fair price shopkeepers claim lower profit margin is making the business unviable for them. While many APL ration card holders avoid quota collection, claiming the rice stocks as substandard. Where does this unclaimed APL quota go? Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
And now a look at the other events happening in the state. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo distributed tree saplings to the villagers of Parra. He appealed to the people to keep Goa green.
आणि माझे इतलेच अपील हा आमच्या पोर्रीच्या लोकांक जो तर आमी पार्रा ग्रीन दवरतले आमी पार्रा एवर लाविंग विलेज दवरतले आणि जितके हिंगासर फोटोशूट्स जाता हिंगासर फिल्म शूट्स जाता इतलेच लागून जाता की आमची ग्रीनरी आहा म्हणून.
Goa Veterans Football Club held their annual general body meeting recently. A new committee was selected at the meeting. Gajanan Kerkar has been elected as the new president and Jude Fernandez as the secretary.
सगळे स्टॉलवर्ड्स आसा एक्स फुटबॉलर्स इंटरनॅशनल नॅशनल जे 60 वयर वर्सांचे आसा तांकां आमी आज फॅसिलिटेट करपाचें चिंतलेले आनी त्या प्रमाणे आयज आमी 20 मेंबरांक फॅसिलिटेट केल्या.
Lions Club of Margao celebrated 15th anniversary and 6th year anniversary of Senior Citizens Recreation Center.
We are also felicitating and distributing scholarships to 28 students who have lost their parents while in school. Each scholarship is worth ₹5,000.
Kripak Foundation held its commemoration day recently. This foundation helps in eradicating drugs and helping to get drug addicts out of the habit. A program was held on International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking.
Demand reduction gives us the opportunity to change even people who are in drug addiction, not only as users but as peddlers and pushers and people who have been into this trade. We have managed to get them out.
Bureau Report, Prudent. Pomburpa villagers celebrated Sao Juao with great enthusiasm on Sunday. People danced to the tunes of Konkani songs. People were seen enjoying the mood of Sao Juao at the end of the month, wearing wreath of flowers and mixtures of fruits. Their main aim is to bring the local talent forward. The event was held without serving alcohol. People feasted with the Goan delicacy of sheet kodi. Local fruits too were served as the highlight of the festival. Catch some glimpses of the festival captured by Tulsidas Chari. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.